So, wanted to kind of walk you guys through the construction that Horizon Construction did for my recreational room. This room was just a room, there was no bathroom in here, so David and his construction team at Horizon built a bathroom for me in this space. So as you can see, we put in subway tile, we put in the shower bath combo. So yeah, great job. Looking forward to having people stay here, and yeah, I recommend Horizon Construction to anybody who's looking for a contractor to do really good and clean work.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I enjoyed working with you too, so
Cool.
it's
Right.
a nice place.
Yeah, we love it. It's going to be really good for us in the future.
I will show a little bit close-ups here. Here is the floor Cris was telling us about. Look at this cool design, and the subway with the dark black grout and the very unique accent inside of the shampoo. We have a vanity, of course, and here is the room, the barn doors that Cris was telling us about, and the floor itself. And the room, yes, it's a very unique design, very cute.
Thank you.
Thank you, Cris.
You're welcome. Thank you.